This is how I make 3,500 every single week with simple YouTube videos. Tip number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Ideally, it's around a topic like health or fitness, tech or finance, but almost any YouTube channel topic will work. Tip number 2 is to sign up for the Amazon Associate Program. You can Google how to do this, and then all you have to do is make at least one sale in the first 180 days for your account to remain active. Number 3, create simple videos related to the product on Amazon. This could be a product review, a product tutorial, or lifestyle videos that you may include in something like a vlog where you tie in the product to the content of your video. Number 4, include trackable links in your YouTube description and the pinned comment to any product that you talked about in your video. Number 5, make sure to include a closure so that you are in compliance with the FTC guidelines. This might include something like, as an Amazon associate, I may earn qualifying commissions. Number 6, and this is where things get interesting. Put your videos on YouTube and make sure that your video is easy to find so that a lot of people will find it and watch it. And don't get discouraged if this takes a lot of time for your videos to get discovered or for you to actually master these process. Sean Cannell of Think Media said his first commission check from Amazon was only $2.12, but he stuck with it. He stayed consistent and continued to learn new skills. So today he is earning $3,500 every single week like clockwork. Which brings me to tip number 7, which is to avoid the biggest mistakes that keep people from getting views and getting sales on their YouTube videos. And actually, if you want to learn about those mistakes, I have listed in the comment section of this video a book titled Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. This book holds the secret and it is easy to read and understand. Even a 5-year-old can do it just the same way I have done it. A quick disclaimer here, I am not an economist with many years of experience, but I am a content creator who got tired of living paycheck to paycheck, so I decided to take my finances seriously. Just click the link in the description of this video below. My name is Yomstar and I am your guide to living a financial free life. Click or tap the screen to watch the next video, show it on the screen right now because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.